Hi folks, myself Raj. Welcome to our channel Code Shack, and this is episode 4. Today we'll discuss about first time home buying for immigrants and also what are the funding options available for international students. I'll try to share all options available so that you guys can take the full advantage. So let's start. Let's start with immigrant first. For immigrants, generally there are plenty of options available to buy your dream home. Also, there are series of guides that can help a newly landed immigrant to know about the home buying process. I'll share a few links below in the description box. You guys can take a look if you are planning to buy your dream home. So the first thing you need to do, you have to decide whether you are in the right shape to buy a property by looking at the options available like your financial condition, housing cost, your financial situation, etc. Check if you are financially ready to buy a house. Like buying a house is one of the biggest investment for an individual. So if you are financially not prepared, then do not jump into an investment like buying a house. So before stepping forward, just check your financial status and then move forward. Secondly, finding the right property is the most important. You have to understand your housing options, like choosing your priorities. And if required, take help of a real estate professional. An expert can help you find the best property. Also, the expert can help you find the property that's absolutely fit within your budget. Thirdly, getting your mortgage pre-approval and then selecting the house of your choice. So always get your pre-approval first and then start finding your dream home. Also, before getting a mortgage, do shop around. Talk with numerous lenders, check the rates available in the market so that you can understand who is giving you the best offer. Also, talk with the lenders regarding the prepayment, regarding the lump sum payment, etc. Make sure that you know everything before you jump into the mortgage application. Also try to understand the basic of mortgage, like how it works, how are the interest charge, how much you're paying back after 20 or 25 years, whatever the term you select. The cost of the loan, if you can understand, then it can be helpful for you in the long run. Thirdly or fourthly, if you are able to select your house, then make the proposal and prepare the agreement of purchase and sale. I would recommend do hire a solicitor to do all this work as it helps you to understand the process and make things flow smoothly. And lastly, process your mortgage with required documentation and down payment. So talk with the lender, ask the lender what the documents they required, how much down payment required, process those documents, submit the required documentation, deposit the down payment so that the lender can complete your process, so that your lender can complete your application and help you make your deal close. And also there are number of programs available, government programs especially, or assistance available for first time home buyers or immigrants or an individual with lower incomes. Check if you qualify for such programs. What I'm going to do, I will share few government links below in the Dropbox. Check it out if that can help you in getting the help or that program fit with your financial conditions. You can just definitely use those program in buying your first home. Now let's jump into international student. Being a past international student, I know very well it's always hard for an international student to find a loan, and especially when you are on study permit. If they require money for some emergency purpose, then the only option available for them is high interest loans or from private lenders. Like most Canadian banks have very less option for international students, or almost like I'm going to say nil or no options available for international student. So here we discuss what are the options available for international students. So let's start with Royal Bank of Canada. RBC offers student accounts with some bundle offers for international students. Maybe $100 account opening and probably up to $200 cashback reward with a new RBC credit card. Rather than this, RBC has got no other offers for international students. Then comes Scotiabank. Scotiabank offers student account and credit cards for international students, probably with some bundle offers. Also, international students can get a line of credit with a co-applicant, but the co-applicant must be either a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident. So if you are looking for a line of credit from Scotiabank, you must have a co-applicant, and the co-applicant must be a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident. Then comes BMO. BMO offers student account and credit card for international student. Probably they come with some bundle offers. Rather than that, there is no other offers from BMO. Then comes TD. TD offers student accounts and credit cards for international student. Those come with some bundle offers. Also, an international student can apply for a line of credit without credit history, but must have a Canadian co-applicant. So, and international student, if you are looking for a line of credit with no credit history, you can apply to TD, but you must have a co-applicant, and the co-applicant must be a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident. And then lastly, CIBC. CIBC offers student account and credit cards for international student with some bundle offers. Rather than this, there is no other offers from CIBC. Also, if an international student have no credit history, they might get, or then they might go through like a secured card. That can be an option requiring a deposit, and then that deposit becomes the cardholder's limit. It is similar to credit card, and the lender also reports to the credit bureau that help them to develop their credit history. So rather than this, there are not much option available for international students. So that's everything for today. Hopefully this video will help you all. We will try to bring more financial topic that will help you save more from lending, and also help you guys one step ahead from the lenders. We will try to make our viewers know everything about lending, so that when you are going for lending, you are well prepared. So have a wonderful rest of your week. Thank you. I will come back once again in our next episode. Bye for now.